Good morning, friends. Myself, Ganesh Gosavi, lecturer, Dr. Deshmukh, T Pharmacy College, Alamala. Today, I am going to discuss purification of water, noise pollution, adverse effects of noise, and its control measures. Before starting this bit, I request to all viewers, please like and subscribe our official YouTube channel, that is DDDP Alamala. So, firstly, what is polluted water? Water is said to be polluted if it contains dissolved or suspended impurities. So we need to it purify. So purification of water on small scale. For the purification of water on small scale contains three steps, that is first boiling, second chemical disinfection, and third filtration. So firstly boiling. It is the cheap method for purification of water on small scale. Boiling kills many bacteria and also destroys their spores. Boiling also removes hardness of water, hence boiling is a satisfactory method of water purification for domestic purpose. Next, chemical disinfection. In this method, various chemicals such as bleaching powder, chlorine tablets, potassium permanganate are used for the purification of water on small scale. Third, filtration. It is another method for purification of water on small scale. It is an costly method. In this method, various filters are used for the purification of water. The commonly used filters are Catadine filters, Bergfeld filters, etc. Next, purification of water on large scale. For the purification of water on large scale contains three steps, that is first protection, second storage, and third filtration. So first protection. Water sources must be protected from human and animal activity to avoid contamination of water. Second, storage. It is an easiest method for purification of water, means water is stored in natural or artificial reservoir for 10 to 12 days, which leads to sedimentation of impurities towards the bottom and we get pure form of water. But over storage of water leads to growth of microorganism in water. Next, filtration. It removes 99% bacteria or impurities. There are two types of filters are generally used, such as first rapid sand filters and second slow sand filters. So firstly, rapid sand filters. Rapid sand filters contains four steps. First, coagulation, second, mixing, third, flocculation, and fourth, filtration. So firstly, coagulation. In coagulation, water is treated with chemical coagulants such as alum to remove turbidity and color. Second, mixing. In the mixing, alum and water is mixed with mixing chamber, so alum easily precipitate the impurity. Third, flocculation. In this, aluminum hydroxide used with water in flocculation chamber at a low speed for 1 hour so as to form flocules of aluminum hydroxide. And fourth, filtration. Filtration is the most important stage in rapid sand filtration. It removes nearly about 99% of impurities. In that, carbon nanofilters are generally used. Next, noise, effects of noise and step to control the noise. So firstly, what is meant by noise? Noise is defined as wrong sound in wrong place at wrong time. So firstly, adverse effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution causes physiological changes, that is increase in blood pressure and heart rate. It also causes temporary or permanent deafness. It also causes insomnia condition. Control measures for noise. Firstly, control the noise at source. Second, protection of air from noise by using air plug in automobile industries. Third, make a legislation to restrict the use of loudspeaker. Fourth, educate the people and create awareness among people about adverse effects of noise pollution. Thank you.